Hey guys, Dave here with Patriot Builders. Today we're doing a little bifold closet door action. It's really easy. I'm going to show you guys step by step all the parts. Here we go. So, you get a top rail for each door. You have two doors that go into one hole. I framed these holes. I know these holes after trim are 60 inches wide. So these are our 30-inch bifold doors. Actually, they're not. They're meant to fit a 60-inch hole, but each door is a half-inch short, so you have a little bit of play for it to be able to turn and whatnot. But here we go. We got 5/32 drill bit and my drill, Phillips bit. I'm gonna take two of the longer screws in this kit. These right here go in the bottom. I'm only going to show you this once, but there's going to be one on each side. Again, you should probably measure for this, but I know what my distances are because I built it. Okay, one. The other bottom track, two more screws, this side. Boom, both bottom tracks are in, that easy. Now, I'm going to go ahead and mount our top rail. So, we'll take these short guys to the pan head. I'll bring them to you, show you. This is a pan head screw, the way it tapers in like that, flat on top. So I'm gonna use these short guys to put my top rail in. This top rail doesn't hold any weight, so it doesn't really need big long screws in it or anything like that. And this thing here holds your top hinge. It has a screw in it so it can move back and forth. Line it up at your bottom. I like to give myself just a touch of space off the wall. Send it home. And that's perfect. Go ahead and split the difference, make that nice. There you go. Go ahead and finish filling the holes. There's already holes drilled into it. That way it's got proper torque, and well, not torque, but hold capability. Now, again, my measurements are perfect. So I'm going to give myself the same spacing, and you should have about a quarter in the middle, which is about what I got. All right, finish screwing this one off. This one, ta-da. All right, your bottom track and your top tracks are now in. I'm gonna show you, they give you one of each of these for each door. This is what goes into that bracket that I just showed you in the top of that rail. This is gonna go also on the top of the rail, but in the center, just to where it stays inside. And they're springy. So that way you can push the door up and it sits back down onto this guy that sits in that bottom little foot peg. And you can roll this out, roll it up if you need to raise the door or shorten it. Now, I like to grab my little flooring hammer. I don't want to beat on these too hard. And you gotta know which way they're going So you're in a 6-panel. You always put your panels up. Your short panels up, sorry. I guess that's preference. You can do whatever you want. Okay. So on the same side that you put the bottom one, go ahead and put the one that goes into the top rail. Right? So my bottom, this panel has my bottom one for the door pin, and it's got this one here for that thing in the top track I showed you, and this one's going to go in the center. Now, very simply, set that thing down on the track. You can adjust everything later, but we're just going to go ahead very easy. So, we're going to do the same thing again. The 3 things, right? Do we know what we're going to do with them? Can you guess? Can we fix it? Yes, we can. We can fix anything. We can fix anything. Okay, now it's too close. It's these pins. So I'm going to adjust the bottom first because it's the easiest, and see how it straightens out the center. See, that's a big gap now. So we'll split the difference here. Give it a little bit. Then, let's see, that one needs to go over substantially. We got about a 1/4 inch gap down here, about a 1/2 inch up here. This one's about 3/8 and 7/16, so we can go back a little bit, but not as bad. So, go ahead and hit that adjustable track. Give it a little tap. Tighten it back up. Take this one off. Loosen this one up. Move it just a touch where you think you need it. You can also measure this stuff too, make it more accurate. I've been doing it so long, I just do it by eye. If I can pick this thing up right. That is really nice. I'm going to go ahead and raise the feet a little bit, which means spreading these out. Sometimes it's just easier. Take it off. Do it right. The higher you get these, the better it's going to glide on the carpet. It's not going to be touching it. Beautiful. See? That one is right on. Okay, let's go ahead and just take a little gander. Real even spacing. Okay. If that's all you wanted to look at, you can stop the video right there. And I hope you like and subscribe, but we got a little bit more to go on here. We're gonna go ahead and put these door handles on. Now you can go ahead and put these wherever you want. I think right here on this panel gives you a good spot to pull from. So I'm gonna go ahead and split the difference right here on this line. That way I know what my measurement is, because if that line's true. Now, oop, wrong screw. There we go. You always have extra screws with these jobs, because they make sure to give you plenty. Okay. Go ahead and tighten that guy down. Boom, got a little door handle. Do the same thing over here. Sorry if you guys can't hear me. I should have brought my microphone today. I wasn't really thinking about making a video, but I figured you haven't done this one yet, and maybe not everybody knows how to install a bifold door. So, try to be a little bit louder for you. Gorgeous. Thank you. Maybe check out some of our other links, but I really appreciate you guys checking it out.